Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with the 2017 Ford Focus, stock number 6853. This ran from the 7th of 2015 to 11th of 2018. It's an LZ 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the LZ 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory Manua tyre, left-hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 2 dents, left rear 16-inch factory Manua tyre, left-hand taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right-hand taillight, right rear 16-inch factory Manua tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right-hand door mirror, right front 16-inch factory Manua tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,